Imagine walking through a peaceful garden where birds sing, flowers sway gently in the breeze, and sunlight dances across lush green grass. Nothing hints at the extraordinary world waiting just beneath your feet. Today, we're uncovering a hidden style of luxury that blends architecture with nature, creating elegant underground homes filled with warmth, light, and unforgettable beauty. Welcome to LUMACASA Studio, where timeless design inspires extraordinary living. Every remarkable subterranean home begins with a thoughtfully designed entrance that feels more like a quiet discovery than a doorway. A gently sloping stone path surrounded by native plants creates anticipation while preserving the natural landscape. Instead of oversized gates, subtle architectural details invite curiosity. By allowing gardens to remain the visual centerpiece, the home becomes part of the land itself, proving that true luxury often whispers instead of shouting. The greatest misconception about underground homes is darkness. In reality, strategically placed courtyards, skylights, and expansive light wells transform hidden interiors into bright, uplifting spaces. Soft, natural light travels deep into living areas, creating beautiful shadows that change throughout the day. Light-colored walls, warm oak flooring, and reflective natural materials amplify daylight even further, making every room feel open, peaceful, and surprisingly connected to the sky above. At the center lies a welcoming living room where architecture embraces comfort. Curved ceilings soften the atmosphere, textured stone walls add timeless character, and oversized linen sofas encourage slow evenings with family and friends. Layering soft fabrics, warm wood furniture, and gentle ambient lighting creates depth without clutter. A carefully positioned fireplace becomes more than a source of warmth. It becomes the emotional heart of the entire home. Bedrooms hidden beneath blooming landscapes offer a rare sense of tranquility. Floor-to-ceiling glass facing private sunken courtyards fills each room with fresh air, birdsong, and changing seasonal colors. Natural linen bedding, earthy color palettes, and minimal furnishings promote restful sleep while reducing visual noise. Adding indoor plants and organic textures reinforces the calming relationship between interior comfort and the surrounding landscape above. Beyond its beauty, subterranean architecture offers remarkable environmental benefits. The surrounding earth naturally regulates indoor temperatures, reducing heating and cooling demands throughout the year. Green roofs improve insulation while supporting local biodiversity and rainwater management. Choosing durable natural materials like stone, reclaimed timber, and polished concrete ensures timeless elegance that ages gracefully, creating a home that's as responsible as it is breathtaking. Perhaps the greatest luxury isn't building higher. It's building smarter and living closer to nature. Beneath peaceful gardens, these extraordinary homes remind us that elegance can remain hidden while still enriching every moment of daily life. If this inspiring journey sparked new ideas for your dream home, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join LUMACASA Studio for more cinematic home design inspiration where architecture and nature become one.